Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing my Ipsy and Boxycharm for December, and also just a special note. I think I am saying goodbye to both of them. I'd already canceled Ipsy. I believe this is my last month because my renewal comes in January, so I don't think I'll be getting a January box. And then as far as December goes, because of the price increases and everything, I think I'm canceling Boxy. I'm on subscription box overload. It's been 5 years. I've had enough. So let's together enjoy the very last unboxing of both that I believe I'm getting. All right, here we go. So starting with Boxycharm, the theme is Gift of Glam. So the very first thing in the box is a set of sponges from a company called Shelly Beauty. At least you get 2 of them. I always like to have fun guessing how much these are. These are going to be $24, about $12 each. So still cheaper than the beauty blenders, about the price of one beauty blender. You get 2. So there's that. The next thing is from Seraphine Botanicals, which we've definitely seen before. This is the Happy Hibiscus Luminizer and Blush Palette. To be frank, there's not a lot from Seraphine Botanicals that I've tried and liked. The only thing I've liked from them has been these lip masks, and there was an apple and hibiscus one. Almost everything else, there was a cream cheek palette and lip palette. It was not good. It was not good at all. So, and I never see them anywhere except for in a box, but this is the palette. Honestly, I'm not that excited, but I don't think I'm going to use this. I just haven't been impressed with pretty much anything they have. No. Let's see how much this is. Any guesses? Go ahead and guess if you want to comment below. $48. Wow. Does anyone out there know where you can actually buy this brand? Because I don't think I've ever seen it anywhere. The next thing that's in here, it's a skincare item. It's from Algenist, and it's Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm to reduce the look of dark circles. Okay, so Algenist is a pretty expensive brand. I'm guessing this is probably $50 for a tiny. Seems like sometimes the smaller the container, the more they want to charge for it, right? $68. Yeah, and look at this. Look how tiny this is. Okay, this is half of a fluid ounce. So 15 milliliters. There you go. Could not tell you if it's worth 68, but I'm usually going to go out on a limb and say, no, it's not. There's only one thing left in this box for Boxycharm. This is the Vanilla Bean Lip Mask. It's by Wish with WHISH. Honestly, this is another brand that I continue to be unimpressed with. They had a shaving cream I didn't like. They had a body lotion that I didn't really like. And now they have this lip mask, Intense Overnight Hydration. I already have several lip masks that I like, including the one from Bite, the agave one, as well as Laneige. So I don't know if I need this. I don't think I'll really use this. I'm sure it's probably worth 20 bucks, but again, this is not something that I think I need. How much is this? This is $32. Wait, what? $32? Oh my gosh, no. I had to double check and make sure I read that right. Yeah, they wanted $32 for that. I was mistaken. There's one last thing in the box. This is from Mellow. That is also a habitual box repeater. This is in the color Rose. Honestly, I have enough lip pencils. I'm not excited about this. Most of the Mellow stuff has been not blowing my skirt up. So I'm going to say, wow, I'm going to say just about everything in this box I'm not pleased with. So wow, thank you, Boxycharm. What a send off for our final box together. Not impressive at all. Thank you for that. Except not thank you. All right, so let's move on to Ipsy. Boxycharm, I don't know if they've canceled my subscription because with Boxycharm, I had usually paid for prepaid 6 months or so at a time. So I'm not sure when the renewal officially is, but I did not renew. So we'll see how long that goes. But just know I have canceled. And then this is from Ipsy. This one's kind of cute. It says stars on it. This is the final Ipsy bag. Ipsy did recently just purchase Boxycharm. I say recently, but it's been months now. Who knows? Maybe even a year. The first item is from Elemis. Ooh, I do like Elemis. This is the Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream Eye Gel. You would think, also 15 milliliters, you would think that this is so much more than that other one that we just had. They're the same. The net weight of product is actually the same. So I guess maybe don't let the type of container fool you. So Elemis, oh, I forgot. Ipsy doesn't give you the little card that tells you how much stuff is anymore because that would be too helpful. So thank you for that. Let's see here. The next item is, this is a bronzer, Shades by Shan bronzer. Okay, I like the little flat cardboard box. At least it's very compact. Looks like a nice color. Yeah, this I'm actually kind of excited about. This has, how much is in there? Oh, it also says it's cruelty free. Oh, and a portion of proceeds from this purchase goes to help single parents in need through the Mama Berries nonprofit foundation. That I like, and this is in the color Latte, which I also like since as a Seattle girl, I do love coffee. side note, I don't know if any of you out there are coffee snobs, aficionados, whatever you want to call yourself, connoisseurs. We recently just got a Chemex for doing pour over coffee. I like it. Okay, so the next thing that's in here, this is from Jacka Black Liquid Concealer 2.0. So it actually comes in like a lip gloss applicator. This one is very like serum-like and very liquidy. All right, we will give that a shot. Ipsy is faring much, much better than the Boxycharm is, but Badass Icon Matte Lipstick from Oma Beauty. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Oma Beauty. I know they have a foundation that I really want to try, but I've never tried it. Okay. Ooh, goodness. If the sticker on the bottom is any indication, though, it's going to be very bright. I don't know if I'm excited about that. A badass does not talk about being a badass. These colors don't really match at all. Oh, that's not what I was expecting. Is that what you were expecting? Not at all. There you go. That's weird. Okay, so the color I like, the sticker is not indicative at all about what the color is. Okay, there's one last thing in here. This is by Clarity RX, and this is the Daily Dose of Water Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. I wish I could tell you how much all of this stuff was. I cannot, but I will say that this month, Ipsy totally kicked Boxycharm's butt. Boxycharm was really sad and pathetic show this month. So there's that. If you got a Boxycharm or an Ipsy, comment down below what your favorite item was, or if you got maybe the same items I did, if you have a favorite. But otherwise, I will see you in a video very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.